Normal mode is the easiest mode to pilot. Simply move the rolling spider with the accelerometer and turn with the joystick, located on the right side of the screen. So now, let's fly. Before every flight, be sure your mini drone is placed on a flat surface. Now, to start flying, press the takeoff button. You see? Good. As you can see, it remains stable. To raise the drone, slide your thumb up. Or down on the joystick located on the left side of the screen. To rotate the rolling spider, slide your left thumb to the right or to the left. To move the rolling spider, just maintain your right thumb on the joystick and tilt the smartphone forward, backward, left, and right. It's very simple and very intuitive. To land, make sure the drone is above a flat surface, then press the landing button. In case of emergency, press the emergency button. Engines will cut and rolling spider will fall.